hopefully you can find his headphones. Say, bruh.
Go check them out. That thing look good.
What you said, bruh?
That thing look good. Look all no
Is
kind
it
of
bra or bra?
bra. It looks so all no. Come on, bro. Look at this.
Broke them out.
Look them out, bro.
We're gonna mop them. Yeah, Tita. We're gonna mop them. You're mopping.
Mop.
Check this out. This is mine. How's the rice? Hey you. Mahina. What's up? What are you doing? Oh. What Chris got from me on Amazon, from Amazon. Ooh. It's a good thing I didn't go too deep this way, because look, I would have damaged there. Yeah, the scooper here. I believe this is the cover for the reservoir. Just the cover for this one here. Look how pretty the color. Oh, bruh, you have no idea how happy I am. If I'm not mistaken, I think this one is for the brown coffee. Perfect for me because I am the only one that drinks coffee in the house. Once in a great while, Chris would drink. I guess it's just to storage this in here. See, it works. Yes, so let's go. Okay, but first, before I try it out, I have to wash all of these. Okay. And then we have this for fluff the milk. Okay, I'll be back. So I need to wash this too.